Welcome to episode 12. Lazy sequences. Infinite data that costs nothing. What if a sequence had no end? With lazy evaluation, you only compute what you need. Range, take, iterate, and take while make it practical. Let's start the REPL. Range 5 gives 0 through 4. Range with 2 args gives 1 through 10. Range with no args is infinite. Take grabs 5. Repeat gives an infinite stream of the same value. Iterate applies a function repeatedly from a start, starting at 10 and incrementing 6 times. Take while keeps going until the condition fails. Control-D exits. Now let's write lazy.clj. 2 comment lines. Range section with the section header in the output. Finite range, then range with a start and end. Take 5 from infinite range. Laziness at work. Repeat and iterate section. A helper function, double it, multiplies by 2. Iterate with double it gives powers of 2. Counting from 10 with iterate and inc. Take while section. Stop when the condition fails. Under 50 is a named predicate for clarity. Laziness section. Filter even numbers from an infinite range. Take 3 from an infinite filtered sequence. Let's run the file. Range gives 0 through 4. Take 5 from infinite, same result. 3 hellos from repeat. Powers of 2 from iterate. Counting from 10 with ink. Under 50 from an infinite range. First 3 evens, 0, 2, 4. None of these infinite sequences ran out of memory. Episode 12, complete. Quick recap. Range gives finite or infinite counting sequences. Iterate builds a chain by applying a function. Take grabs n items. Take while stops at a condition. Nothing is computed until you ask. Next, destructuring, pulling data apart. Thanks for watching episode 12. Like and subscribe for more Clojure tutorials. Next up, episode 13, destructuring.